So when you have a product of two terms, we use the product rule in order to differentiate. So we differentiate the first term multiplied by the second term plus the first term times the derivative of the second term. So the first thing you need to do is identify your first term, u, and your second term, v. And then you differentiate both. So I'm going to write u equals x and v equals square root of x minus 1. So then to differentiate u dash is simply 1. And if we rewrite u of v as x minus 1 to the power half, because that's what a square root is, it's just power half, I can then differentiate v by saying it's 1/2 multiplied by x minus 1 to the power 1/2 minus 1, which is negative half. So you treat this as if it were simply x, and you multiply by the coefficient, and then you subtract 1 from the power. But because this isn't x, because it's x minus 1, we use something called the chain rule, and we multiply by the derivative of x minus 1, which in this case is simply 1. But if it wasn't 1, it would be important. So now, to differentiate this, we use the product rule. So I'm going to multiply u dash times v, so this times that. So dy by dx equals u dash is 1 times v, so that's square root of x minus 1, plus u v dash, so that's x, multiplied by that. So it's plus x times 1 over 2 x minus 1 to the power negative 1/2. And that's your final answer, although it would be nicer if we were to simplify it. So there's no need for the 1, and it's expected that the coefficient comes before the variable. So you'd write it as x minus 1 plus 1 over 2 x times x minus 1 to the power negative 1/2. So that is your final answer, and that's how to differentiate when you have a product, which means two things multiplied together. You would use the product rule.